All right, so just a quick review of what's going on in the market. Um, all right, so we saw that the reversal on the China numbers, the market went to support. This is a support area. As you can see, this pivot goes there and then reverses. But at the same time, it's at that breakdown area. This is where the market broke down, and it's testing that. So we'll see if it reverses and goes down, or it's just a slight dip. All right. At the same time, we want to definitely take a look at market breadth and see what's going on there. In the NASDAQ, right? So right here, it's about 100, 1100, then 1400, and right now 1000 on these up waves. And here on the NICE is 1000 and 949 and 840. So it's not enough to turn the market yet. It's not enough. So what we want to see how this wave on the SPY, how it follows through, and as the wave is being completed, meaning as the up wave is being completed, how many stocks participate. Right now, only 1000 on the NASDAQ and 840 on the NICE is not enough to turn the market back up. It just isn't. Because the last down wave we had 1174 and 1243, so there's not enough buying pressure now as of right now. But as this up wave completes on the SPY, we want to see how much buying pressure there is. Will this 840 become 1400? Will this up here, this 1010 on the buying wave, become like 1500? That's going to turn me bullish. I have to just see, because it's not possible. Folks just don't get it, that it's not possible for the market to go up and stocks not to participate, because the market is a function of its stocks. So I mean, that's the belief I have, and I see clearly that's the case on the selling wave that broke the market, on the buying wave before that created the uptrend. So I mean, this is the way the market is. Market is a function of its stocks. So there could be a situation where, folks will say, what if it's only a few stocks that are leading the market? But those few stocks that are the generals will always have other stocks that start following, also increasing the numbers on the upside. And right now, it's not there. So how I'll know is when the market goes up on this up wave on the SPY, and its components, they start participating and going up on the on the various exchanges. That would be a clear indication. So right now, not there. All right. Let's see. I mean, it's still negative. That's what I'm seeing. I don't want to bring up any more charts because it'll get confusing, but just look at the numbers here. 840, 1010. You know how many stocks make up the NASDAQ? I think it's well over 2,000. I'm not talking about the NASDAQ 100. I'm talking about the big one, with everything in it, all those stocks. And the NICE, I think it's also over 2,500 if I'm not mistaken. So it's quite a large number. So you will need the buying pressure, and it's just not there yet. Anyway, let's move on to the ES, crude, and gold. Alright, so on the left-hand side of the 3-hour, in the middle I have the Renko, and the right-hand side of the 5-minute. As you know, I'm a big fan of Renko with volume. I believe that it really creates a lot of clarity. So, I mean, what do I mean by clarity? I mean, right here, you see the numbers are big, the 36 and the 38, right? So you have a POC over here for 4017.75 and 4,000. Okay, that is, I think, where does that come from? I think they were taking out this high, right? So that's why the volume spiked. So it should bounce off of that area. If it goes lower, then I'm looking at this brick right here that has the increase in volume that took out these highs. these highs. This is the first breakout, and then the second breakout is on top of it. So this 38 and 36 brick, when price goes in there, you'll expect a change of behavior and long the upside. So we'll see how much it has here on the test of this 36 brick. Or what could also happen is it could then bounce and do a ABC, and then that C wave will hit the 38. So that would be around the 4,000 mark. So that these two levels, 417 and 4,000, is where I'm expecting buying pressure, because that's where smart money was there. It was there at those areas. And what else? I mean, you can very see where the clear accumulation was on the bottom right here. You see this? That's the biggest brick in 14 bricks. So I'm just marking that accumulation. And it broke this area. That's the first breakout. That's the second breakout. I don't see a climax yet. So I mean, maybe just pull back a little bit and then give the trade. So that's on the ES. Let's move on to the next market. On crude, don't include this. Yeah, I think this one is good. So that level 78.90 on crude, right there. Maybe a little bit lower, but see, the original breakout was right here on this. Actually, another pressure point, right? You see this? You see this sticking out like that? All this buying. So they were absorbing here. So there was absorption. It's actually easier to see it right there. You see that? See that? This whole absorption of this high and then blast off. So I'll be keeping my eye on that, on this 30 brick, and then also on this 31 brick. Some more juice right there. See which one is going to react first. Obviously this one. So that level, I mean, that's pretty strong. That is pretty strong. If it comes back down here, should be a very nice rejection back up. So 78.90 and 77.60, those two areas, I think you'll look at the volume there. One is a breakout, the other is absorption. They go there. That'll be a place for buyers to initiate buying, or at least cover their shorts, because whoever's on the other side of that is underwater. On gold, that trade already occurred, but it was right here against that 66 brick right here that I'm showing. You see what happened. I mean, this was easy breezy. You know what I mean? Market goes to that level, reacts, gives the test, and goes up. You see this low. 5.9. And goes, so I mean, you just had to be ready for it. So, and then basically gave that move. Now, do I think that it's not, it's going to continue? It can actually come back down and spring this area. This is a really nice area for gold. I mean, there's a lot of juice here. So a lot of times, what happens is pull back and then retests. So either does the ABC or, springs whatever happens. So I'm going to be looking for it to come back down here, take this area out, or test it, and then buy some more. And yeah, I think buy some more. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back down here. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so just be ready. Yep. Maybe one more brick down, like in this area. For on the sell side, I can't really tell. I mean, it's not showing me anything. So, but this was the trade, like this change of behavior, which set up this uptrend. Change of behavior, pulled back the test, did a little spring or test of that low, and went and took out this high. That's all she wrote. All right, so that's all, folks. Take care. Bye.